Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Azimuddin Rizki Ahmad. Everyone call me Rizki. Today, I would like to talk about the book that I've read, and the title is Comic Career Dr. Johari. This comic book is written by Aizat and published by Iman Publication. The story tells us about the journey of Dr. Johari and his career as a doctor. The comic shows the challenge, responsibility, and experience faced by a doctor while helping patients and serving the community. Through interesting illustration and simple storytelling, the book explains how becoming a doctor requires hard work, patience, and strong determination. It also shows the reality of medical life, including long working hours and emotional challenges when treating patients. In this book, my favorite character is Dr. Johari because he is hardworking, caring, and dedicated to his job. He always tries his best to help patients even he feels tired. His passion for helping others makes him an inspiring character for me. I admire his responsibility and kindness toward people. After reading this book, I learned that being a doctor is not easy. It requires discipline and continuous learning. This comic helped me understand the importance of appreciating healthcare workers because they work very hard to save others' lives. The story also motivated me to work harder to achieve my own dreams in the future. There are several moral values that I learned from this book. First, we must be responsible in our duty. Second, helping others is an important value in life. Third, perseverance and determination are necessary to achieve success. Lastly, we should always show empathy and care towards others. In conclusion, Comic Career Dr. Johari is an interesting and educational comic that gives reader insight into the medical profession. I highly recommend this book because it is inspiring and easy to understand. So to everyone who like to be a doctor, you can try to read this book. That's all for me. Thank you.